back again with another video, guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what's going on. First time packing a barrel from Jamaica. Yes, you heard right, guys. First time packing a barrel from Jamaica. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up soon. Roll the credits. Yes, guys, I'm on my way to Kingston right now. I'm about to pick up my barrels that I packed. I packed it all the way from Jamaica. I stayed here in Jamaica and packed a barrel. Yes, you can too. Guys, I'm going to tell you what's going on right now. Yeah, man. I have to big up my friend Cheyenne from One Love Shy Baby. You know, she is one of the persons that was key in helping me pack this barrel. Guys, I want you to imagine just sitting home and shopping from convenience of your own home. Guys, Cheyenne can do that for you. So if you need a barrel packed all the way from Jamaica, you don't have no friends or family to pack the barrel for you, you can contact One Love Shy Baby, aka Cheyenne, alright? And basically figure out what you want, write a list, and she'll get it done for you, guys. She'll get it done for you. And your barrel will be here in no time, guys. In no time. I'm on my way to Kingston now, guys. So I'm going to go pick up my barrel. So I'll show you what's going on in a minute, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned, guys. Peace. Blessings, guys. Blessings. I have arrived at the wharf. I'm going to stop first at Gunter Shipping. I'm going to do some paperwork there. Each process that I'll go through today, I'm going to tell you the prices that I have to pay and all the fees that I have to pay and all the things that I have to do to collect the barrel. So it took us about an hour and a half. The road was clear, so we got here in like an hour and like 30 minutes. It was very, I reached here very quick. I used my GPS, so it was good. You know what I say? When I was on the main road, there was a guy that stopped us and tell us the shipping place has moved, and we jump into the car and we just give him a little thing and show you what is what. You know what I say? So right now over there is Gunter Shipping right there. So once it opens, I'm gonna go in there and pay the first fee, the processing fee, and then I'm gonna go over the wharf right there. So yeah, and then go and collect the barrel, pay all the necessary fees. So as I said, once I start the process, I'll tell you what is what. So guys, roll with me, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Big up Cheyenne, big up everybody in the building, big up. Peace, guys. Yes, guys, I'm just here waiting to go inside. 8 o'clock, they're gonna open. That's the next 5 minutes. So once I get through with the processing fees, I'll tell you what's up. See you in a minute, guys. Yes, guys, as I said, I'm gonna tell you the process. I just paid $9,400 upstairs for shipping some type of what do you call it, processing shipping fees and stuff like that. All right, and then I came downstairs and paid $6,300 for, they said, warehouse costs, and I'm gonna pay some more money for the barrels in a minute. I'm just gonna wait in the waiting room until they're ready to call me. So I'll tell you guys what's up in a minute later. Yeah, guys, I'm in the waiting area right now, just waiting. I don't think I'm going to be here too long because I'm pretty early, so I don't think I should be here too long. So I'm just waiting, as I said. So as I go along and the process go along, guys, I'll tell you what's going on. You know, it's been kind of smooth so far, so far so good. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Blessings to everybody in the building, guys. And remember, guys, if you need a barrel to be packed, you can contact Cheyenne, One Love Shy Baby. I'm gonna leave her contact, her Instagram in my description, but you can contact her if you need a barrel to be packed. She'll pack it. You just send her the money, tell her that what you need, and she'll take it from there. Like I said, everything is all good, so big up yourself, Cheyenne. Again, blessings to all the watchers. And like I said, guys, my first time packing a barrel from Jamaica. Yes, guys, and it's here now. I'm here collecting it at Kingston Wharf. So I'll tell you what's going on in a little bit, guys. Peace. Yeah guys, I'm in the area to collect my barrels now. I'm really impressed of Kingston Wharf. Every procedure that I went through so far has been very smooth. I was actually in the waiting area for only like 20 minutes before they called me to go and check on the barrel. So I'm just waiting on the custom officer to know to come and just look in the barrel to check it and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna pay. I don't want customs fee after this, so I'll let you know what the fee is, and I'll further tell you what's going on in a minute, guys. But like I said, I'm impressed of Kingston Wharf. The process has been very good. Big up yourself. Big up everybody in the building. Thanks guys for watching. Okay guys, like I said, I'm really impressed. I got through already. The last fee that I paid was $13,000 for, what was this? It's custom fees, and I got here early and I got through early. I haven't been here from at least just maybe like an hour, and I get through already. So I'm going for the barrels now. Like I said, I paid in total, I paid 28,000 and change. But I'm gonna put it on screen how much I paid. But I'm good to go, guys. So my first experience shipping a barrel. Like I said, guys, you can contact Cheyenne. I'm gonna leave her description. You can contact her if you need a barrel to be packed and shipped to Jamaica. I'm gonna leave her Instagram contact in the description. So I'm about to go pick up the barrels now, guys. So give me a second. Peace. Okay guys, going home now. The experience was very smooth. You know what I say? Shipping and packing my first barrel from Jamaica and wharf pickup. Thank you guys for spending the day with me. I see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.